Hello dear student, I am Varun Kumar Shah from LPM school. In this video we will talk about the new chapter which is carbon and its compound. So student, just be careful, the maximum portion of this chapter get deleted by the CBSE, and now the remaining part which is chemical carbon bonding, which is covalent bond, and versatile activities of the carbon or versatile nature of the carbon. So the chapter number 4. Chapter 4, carbon and its compound. Its compound. So it is a chapter 4, carbon and its compound. So during the chemical reaction, various chemical reaction has been seen in the chapter 1st, and various chemical reactions seen in the chapter 2nd and chapter 3. Also we will also discuss about the complete study about the nature, about the some bonding, but in this case, and also we see the different types of organic compounds, and which is the most constituents of this compound, which is a carbon. So the various uses of the carbon, as we know that we eat food and come to the school, and different types of uniform and different types of furniture and different types of equipment that we use in our daily life, that the maximum part is constituents of the different types of things that we use in our daily life are made up from carbon. Our whole body is constituents with the maximum part of our body is the carbon. So carbon is a very important thing to our daily life, and this chapter deals the study of the carbon and its compound, but we will see the only limited topics in this chapter, which is the bonding in carbon, the covalent bond, and the versatile nature of carbon. So on this basis we will see how the carbon form their different types of compound in the nature in a very large amount. If you take the ratio and know the ratio about the participant or the amount of carbon is present into our earth crust, which is a 0 point, very related amount, 0.02%, and into atmosphere, or in the compounds, which is coal, different types of carbonates, hydrogen carbonate, metal carbonates, and different types of carbonates present in 0, and coal, which is 0.03% present in our earth crust, and different types of compound के form में, and earth crust में, earth crust and compound. So, but the maximum compounds that we use, that we see everywhere into our surrounding, which is made up from carbon. So, how it happen? Because there is a little amount of presence of the carbon into atmosphere. So, into atmosphere, and which is as well as earth crust and compound in the form of compound. So now we see how the bonding takes place into the carbon and covalent bond, how the covalent bond is formed. And also you study in the chapter 3 the various compound have different maximum quite high boiling points. But in this compound, most of carbon compound they have low boiling point and the not good conductor of electricity, but the various compounds, which is ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate, copper sulfate, and calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, zinc carbonate, these are the sodium carbonate, these are carbonates. They or other types of salt which dissolve, with also soluble in water. They produce electricity, they could conductor of electricity. But the carbon compound like acetic acid, chloroform, methane, these are compound which did not conduct electricity. That's why It is the reason behind it. The main reason behind it, there is no ion get exchanged into their compound. If you taking the example of CH4, there is no charge has been formed on the carbon or even on the hydrogen. In the case of acetic acid, which is CH3, COOH, there is no charge which is negative charge or positive charge has been formed on this. If you take the example C2H5OH, there is no charge has been formed. If you take the example of chloroform, CH3Cl, CHCl3. So it is the formula of chloroform, ethyl alcohol, acetic acid, methane. So these are the carbon compound, but they have low melting point, boiling point in comparison to other ionic compound. As you recently remind this, the ionic compound has quite high melting point and boiling point. They conduct electricity where they are molten state and during the dissolution. CH4, ethyl alcohol, chloroform, acetic acid and methane, these are the carbon compound but did not conduct electricity because they do not charge on them. Why? How they form? We will discuss in later, but in previous classes, in class 9, the bonding, how the compound are formed by the combination of two different atoms, how the molecules are formed by the combination of two same atom or two different atoms. So we know that reactivity of elements is depend on when it lose their electron to get a stable configuration of near their noble gases. When they lose their electron to stable or complete their octet to near the noble gases, or when they gain the electron to complete their octet and attain the stability of their nearest noble gases. But in case of carbon, the outermost shell of carbon have 4 electrons, and carbon had need to lose the 4 electron or gain the 4 electron to complete their octet. There is a 2 case has been possible. First case, in case of carbon, the carbon has 4 electrons. If you take the example, carbon atomic number is 6, and if you open their electronic structure, which is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. This is the outermost electron, which is 4. And we know that every element attain their octet. After completing their octet, to need the completing octet, it need 4 electrons. इनको और 4 plus electron चाहिए, and it have only 4 electrons. So how it may be the carbon may be lose electron of 4 outermost because complete their duplicate. But it is not possible. It required, after losing the 4 electron, it required large amount of energy. So we know that another case, there is nothing. And another case, it may be gain 4 electron. May be gain 4 electron. So in case of, if the carbon have 6 electron or 6 atomic number, or atomic number means atomic number 6 means it contain 6 electron and 6 neutron. It contains 6 electron and 6 neutron. So if it gained the 4 electron, the 6 neutron which present in nucleus, it did not able to hold these 4 extra electron. There is the two possibility and two possibility get filled. Why? It require, if the case the lose of electron 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन, अगर ये 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन अपना लूज कर देते हैं तो इनके पास कितना बचेगा 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन जो कि डुप्लेट है, और अगर रिलीज भी कर देते तो इट रिक्वायर्ड लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी, दैट विच इज नॉट पॉसिबल. एंड द सेकंड केस, दिस इज द फर्स्ट केस and this is the second case. In second case, it may be gain 4 electron from another element, from another atom. So if it gain 4 electron directly from another atom, as you know that the carbon atomic number is 6, means it contains 6 electron and 6 neutron. So 6 electron and 6 neutron. So means these 6 neutron already hold the 6 electron, and it did not able to hold 4 electron. Means in both possibility the carbon did not able to bond with another atom through which gain the electron. It did not able to lose the electron and did not gain the 4 electron instantly at one time, because there is no possibility has been happened to in this both cases. So how it possible to complete the octet of carbon? There is a possibility. So let's see. दोनों पॉसिबिलिटी में अगर ये अपना 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज भी कर देते हैं तो वो देयर इज नो चांस, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम अमाउंट में एनर्जी की जरूरत होती है जो कि पॉसिबल नहीं है. दूसरे केस में कितने भी गेन 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन, अगर ये एक ही बार 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कर लेते हैं तो इनके पास 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं, 6 न्यूट्रॉन भी होंगे. तो उसके केस में जो 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन है ऑलरेडी 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन को होल्ड किए हुए, तो एक्स्ट्रा 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन को कैसे होल्ड करें? देयर इज नथिंग पॉसिबिलिटी. सो हाउ इट पॉसिबल, हाउ द कार्बन फॉर्म देयर कंपाउंड? द कार्बन फॉर्म देयर कंपाउंड with the help of electron sharing. The carbon bonding in electron. The topic is bonding in carbon. Bonding in carbon, which is covalent bond. This bond is formed between two atoms. In which way? As we know that if you see the structure of CH4, there is the maximum elements complete their octet with the help of covalent bond formation. Not only one carbon has been formed, the different types of bond with the help of this covalent bond. If you take the example of methane, so in methane structure, if you see the structure of this, here is. So it is a hydrogen, and it is a hydrogen. How is that? You know that carbon has 6 and its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. Here is 4 electron which balance electron which take part in a chemical reaction. which take part in a bond formation. So bond formation में 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन take part करते हैं. And in case of hydrogen, because here the compound is methane and constitutes of carbon and hydrogen. So we know that hydrogen have one atomic number and one atomic mass. So one atomic number and one atomic mass. So it have one atomic number, that's why it have one electron. Here is a one electron, here is a one electron, and here is a one electron. 8 electrons of hydrogen. Now you know that there is a in an outermost shell there is a 4 electron in a hydrogen, in a carbon, 4 electron. 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons. So you see that here is you see that the 2 to 4 to 6 to 8, the octet of carbon get completed in with sharing of completed with hydrogen by sharing of electron and form covalent bond. So this is our introduction and how the carbon form its different type of compound in our nature, and in next video we will see the versatile nature of carbon.